talking about that our human body has a lot of water, so we should always have good quality water. So these are some of the things that are found in water: arsenic, radioactive contaminants, pesticides, nitrates, hormones, fluorine, or all these lead, as you mentioned. We have so many contaminants, and then it says that some stats, 9 million cases are there, and foodborne diseases cause 76 billion illnesses a year, with so many hospitalized and so many deaths. So they are saying that clean water is really important wherever we go. And from the container, it is going inside this, and then when we pull the knob from there, it will start filtering, and then you'll see the other pipe will take the clear water.
The force with which it is coming, that is low because of the pump. Okay, but when we put it in actual, this is the setup, Shobha.
Okay.
You see this knob?
Yes.
And everything, the wires and everything, the knob, it comes.
The pipe will come with the.
Everything is going to come with that.
So yeah, we can install that one. It
Yeah.
seems like the other water filter things.
Right, and this knob comes like in 3 different types. Depends on the way your filter is. Okay.
My check.
So we are going to put some green food color, which actually will represent the contaminants in water, because the contaminants particles are so small that we cannot see them, and they are getting dissolved easily in water. So this food color is just representing that, and we can add a little bit more so that it's more green. So first we'll do the color demo, whether the color is coming out good or not. Okay, whether the color is getting filtered or not.
First let me fill with that something. I'll just fill this with the green water.
Yeah, with the green water. So this is tap water that is coming out right now. So tap water is coming out, and it has all the contaminants in it. Okay. So मैं अभी और गिर रही हूँ. तो ठीक है, जल्दी कर लो. वो हाँ. So this is the tap water, which has all the contaminants, and now we'll see this starts working when he pulls that thing from there. Okay.
This is the knob.
Yeah. And then when you pull it, this will start working, which shows that now. So see, can you see the water is coming here, and then the green water is coming.
So this is the
Clean water.
Clean water, and when we don't need it, we will just wonderful.
It's good. So this is the clean water.
Keep it there.
You want to have some more to see the difference. So it's free from these contaminants. So now it's like it will show the contaminant. Now it doesn't have any smell or something, but sometimes water will have smell. So for that we are putting some garlic in this. So now
Use that spoon to mix it.
okay. Yes, so some smell is there. Okay. Yeah, this one has a lot of smell. So we'll put this.
Slow, slow. Let it mix. Give me the spoon.
Smells like a
This
mouthwash.
mouthwash. So we will keep this, and then we'll throw this water, and
Now it's not working. So the best, I mean, something good is like when we are using the vegetable or when we are washing the dishes, our job is just to pull and push this knob. And with the flow of water, you will come to know whether it's coming from the key spring or the regular tap.
now shall I help you fill it?
Wait, let little bit flow. Let little bit flow.
Okay. You can pull it a little bit more, otherwise keep pulling it, otherwise it will go back. It's good.
There's another one.
What is she saying?
Not smelling.
Not smelling?
So the taste is there. If you can drink it and also see
Yeah, you
the.
can drink it. It's absolutely fine, Subhash.
Yeah, that is a good thing that you mentioned. That one cartridge is equal to 10,000 bottles.
Okay.
So that's what they have shown the comparison, that if you use one cartridge, it's actually equal to close to 10,000. So you're saving the environment from not using tools, because if you're using 10,000 bottles, we will throw it. Right. So instead that, and this cartridge is also like not harmful for the environment. You can just do it in a recycle thing.
How to change? How do you, where is the cartridge things?
So it's just this.
Oh, it has a lot of machine things.
No.
The-
It's
just
just like
this-
few
just
parts
Looks
are there.
like.
Yeah.
Alright.
So this is like
And hold it.
still white in color, but when depends on the city. Like if when you say you that there it will become black after the 4 things are gone, and then when you take out, this is the carbon filter, this is the UV filter. That's it. This is no more like,
And other than that, there is nothing.
nothing
It's just a
inside.
box. You lift this.
and then it will come
It will
out,
come out.
on its own. And then after this we have to put this,
Yeah.
and then
So parts are only this.
Yeah.
1, this is 2, and all the parts, even if it goes bad, individual parts are available in the website, our website, Subhash.